And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Xiaomi 13 Lite. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm only starting from the restart. You can try to restart your Bluetooth connection and restart your phone by holding the power button. And choose reboot. It's a little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it's really work. Okay, after that you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices. How to enable pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to push this button for a few seconds, sometimes you have to click this button 3 times for example, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices but not for your phone, you can go to the settings, choose Bluetooth and go to the additional settings. Now download the Bluetooth block list, and if you have something here, just delete it. In next step, you can go to the connection sharing and slide down to the reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth. So tap on it, choose reset settings, configure in by the pattern and click OK. After that, look for your headphones or any other device again. The next tip from me, check that you have any system updates. How to do it? Open the About phone and choose the MIUI version. If you have any update, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible and which one catch at making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.